We all know if we're doing high-touch, consultative, collaborative selling, there's a lot of data exchange between the sales team on the sales side and the buying team on the buy side. A lot of multi-stakeholders to get involved and to collaborate with. You might call it multi-threaded selling. One of the key assets that gets created a lot is a document. So what we've done in SalesDesk is created the simple sort of lightweight document record. Within SalesDesk, you can create a document template and you can create a document. You can share it in a workspace with your customers so you can collaborate on requirements analysis, solution specifications, proposals, pricing, you name it. And once you've shared that document, you can add comments on behalf of the sales team. The customer can add their comments as well. So you have this fully collaborative document mechanism built right into the platform. And of course, all documents are indexed and searchable, and you can even generate PDFs inside the platform as well. So let's take a look at how you create document templates, how you create documents, how you share them, and how you collaborate on them. So first, I'm going to create a template. A template is something you can reuse to create lots of documents based on the template format. To create a template, simply go to the Documents view and click up here and go to your template library. I'm going to create a new template now for generating a proposal. So I'm just going to click here, and I've got some copy from another tab that I'm just going to paste in here. Here we go. I can use this every time I want to write a proposal. So I'm just going to give that record a title here. I'm going to set the document type to be of type proposal. And there you have it. The template has been created. So let's talk about how we can use that template to create a new document. Now we've created that document template, we're going to create a new document from that template. So we just go here to click on New. If you don't want to use a template, just click Blank Doc, but we're going to use the template we've just created. And if I click here, the new document will be created for us. There we go. So as you can see, the document's been pre-populated by the template content, so it's very easy to get going, fill out the blanks, and have a proposal ready to go very quickly. Now I've created that document, let me show you how you can share this document with other records and link it to workspaces as well. If I go to Record Details, I can see a summary of all the other object types or records that this document is currently shared with. So I want to share this document with a particular workspace that's used by a customer. So I'm going to scroll down and find that workspace and click here. Because I'm sharing this document with a workspace, it gives me the option as to whether I want to make it visible to customers at this stage or just make it available in the workspace to CRM users. So I'm not going to make it visible to the customer yet, I'm just going to choose Done. Now you can see the document shared with that workspace, and in fact I can go to that workspace, and if I go inside it, such as here, what I can see is the document is not currently available to the customers in their document library. If I go to the resources section here, what you'll see is that the document is visible for the sales users. It's just not available for customers. So I want to make it available for the customer. I can simply click here and I can click Share in Workspace. So you can see here it's marked as shared. And if I go to the overview section and I go through to Library and Documents, there's a document ready to share with the customer when they next log in. One final thing I can do if I want to is I can click here, go through to the document in the workspace. What I might want to do is leave a little note to the customer to say the document's waiting. So if I'm going to click here and say, there you go. So Lauren will get a notification saying this document's available for you in the workspace. They can log in and they can find it in situ. You'll notice in my notification section up here, I've got a new alert. And that's because Fred Blunden has logged in as a customer. He's looked at my document and he's left a comment. So if I click here, I'll be taken through directly to the document. And if I click through, here are the comments that Fred's left. So the great thing is if you've got a draft proposal, draft requirements document, some specifications, anything you like, you can create this document, you can share it in a workspace with a customer, and they can collaborate and leave comments. And you're immediately alerted once they've added to that document. The other great thing, of course, is in the chat, you can share a document so people know what you're talking about. So what I might do, for example, now is go like that and like that. So one way I can share a proposal with a customer and link to that record that's been associated with the current workspace. Really easy to create documents, share them, and collaborate with customers securely in their workspace. You may not want to share an uncompleted document with a customer for a whole range of different reasons. If it's a proposal or a quote, you may want it to be fixed and uneditable. So rather than just sharing a SalesDesk document with a customer in a workspace, you can actually generate a PDF. So if I click here, it will work in the background and convert that to a PDF. And if I go to the PDF view here, there it is. So in the same way that previously I linked a document to a workspace, I can then just link the PDF to the workspace. The customer can access it, but they can't edit it. Simple as that.